A life without discipline is a disaster. If you lack discipline, listen to this to the end. Number 1. The greatest moment of your life will be the moment you figure out nobody cares about you, and nobody will save you from yourself. Then you will realize that you must make yourself valuable. Number 2. Becoming your perfect self requires a lot of goodbyes. This doesn't just apply to people. Number 3. The fastest way to succeed is to start now and figure out the specifics later. You can't learn to drive in a parked car. Number 4. Many people want you to think discipline isn't important. These people do not want you to respect yourself. Discipline is the biggest form of self-respect. Number 5. If a man doesn't match his words, he's not a man. He's just a boy who likes to talk. Number 6. Vision without action is a dream. Action without vision is a nightmare. And finally, number 7. Day by day. What you choose, what you think, and what you do is who you become. Which quote helped you the most? Comment down below.